Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to another review. Today we are going to be reviewing an air freshener. Yes, I know it's a bit boring, but I think a lot of us, if not all of us, over time, over the years, have been searching for the best air freshener we can find. What's the best smell in a car? I think everyone would agree, a new car smell. Now some would say it's the plastics used in a car, others would say it might be the glues that are used to stick on bits of trim within the car, but there is nothing quite like that new car smell. So I've got a product here which I'm going to test over the next 2 weeks, starting today. So let's go, let's show you what it is and let's give it a test. Okay, so this is the stuff we're going to try. It's from the chemical guys. They make lots of products, good quality products for cars, and this is one. So this is called Chemical Guys New Car Smell, as you can see there. And it's a premium air freshener and odour neutraliser. So I have been looking, as I'm sure a lot of you have, at getting a really good air freshener. I've tried so many, from the Magic Tree to, I've got all sorts of things. I've got this one. I had 2 of these, which I do use. I've got these from Amazon. They're really cheap, they last forever. Trade Chem, really nice smell. And they do last a little while, but one of those, that's not a new, oh, that's a new car fragrance as well, but it doesn't smell like a new car. It smells nice, but it doesn't smell like a new car. This, I'm hoping, might do the job. Now this was £12, I think it was, from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get yourself one, but obviously you won't know whether it's worth getting, or you might want to try it, but the link's in the description if you want to go back and have a look at it. But bought it on Amazon. You can get it on eBay. I did look on eBay first to see if it was cheaper on eBay, but it's actually about £2 cheaper on Amazon, and of course it came next day. Haven't tried it yet. As you can see, it's completely full. So I have heard that the best way of doing this, rather than just spraying it around on the surfaces like I do that other one, I normally spray that on the carpet, spit on the seat, spit in the boot, and it smells lovely when the person comes to look at the car. It does the job. But to make your car smell like a new car, I'm hoping this is going to do it. I've heard good things about it. Now, you can't quite see it. My 21 plate car here has got a nice smell in it. It's got the leather interior, and I've got a nice air freshener in there as well, which is on the wane. I've had it a couple of months and it's on the wane. When I've got the air blowing out the air vents in the dash, I can just about smell it. I've not got the best nose in the world, but I can just about smell it. I want to get that new car smell back. Let's see if we can try this. So let me explain to you what the best way I've been told is to use this stuff. Let's go. So here we are in the driving seat, obviously, of the BMW, my beautiful BMW, which I love very much, almost more than life itself. Maybe not quite. I've got here a new microfiber, quite a small microfiber. So I've been told that the best way to test this, rather than just spraying it on surfaces and keep spraying it on surfaces, see, I haven't even opened it yet, is to spray 3 or 4 squirts onto a clean cloth and then stash this clean cloth under your seat and see what happens. Obviously, if it's under the seat, when you've got the blowers on the floor, it will obviously blow onto this and help to spread it around the car. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try it now. I am going to film it tomorrow, and then I'm going to film it in a week's time and then 2 weeks' time and see how much the smell is. And then we'll end the video there, and then you can decide whether you want to get one or not. I'm hoping it's going to work. So let's spray it on there. So we've got 1, 2, 3. It's a bit concentrated at the moment. So what we'll do is we will put that down, and I'm going to stick it under the seat, just there. And then we'll leave it. So I'll come back tomorrow. I'll let you know what it smells like in here. And we'll go from there, see what it's like. So I'll see you tomorrow. So it's the next day. It is the late afternoon of the next day. I came to work this morning and I could smell it. I've got in the car 9-10 hours later, and I can still smell it, and it's quite nice. It's quite close to the new car smell. I wouldn't say it was spot on. It smelled more in the back. I put my bag in the back by the back seat, and it smelled more there. But it's quite nice. I'm sniffing it up. So yeah, it's not bad. I will see you in a week's time, and we'll assess it then. But it's quite close, I would say. Not spot on, but quite close. But yeah, I'll see you in a week's time, and we'll see how it is then. Action. Okay, morning. It is now a week later, and although the smell has diminished, as soon as you open the car door, you can smell it. As soon as you put the once it's warmed up and you put the heater on, so it's going on your feet. Obviously, it's going under the seat, hitting that rag. So yeah, a week later, it's still. I mean, I've been in the car now for 15-20 minutes, up to normal running temperature. It's nice and warm in here, and it still smells nice. Yeah, so they have not quite got it, but it's not bad. It's I would say it's the closest I've got to a new car smell in the past. I think most new car smells you buy, including that one I showed you earlier, are just a perfumed smell, which doesn't really nice, but doesn't really resemble a new car smell. This is as close as I've ever known. So that's a week. We will come back again in another week's time, and we'll see how it is then. So it has diminished quite a bit since last week, but it wouldn't it? If it lasts another week, bearing in mind I've not got the best nose for smells in the world, but it does smell nice. So yeah, I'll see you in a week's time, and we'll try again, and we'll see what it's like then, and then we'll upload the video after that. So I'll see you in a week. So 2 weeks and 1 day has passed since I first tried this stuff. A week and 1 day since I last told you what it smelled like. Yeah, so it's 2 weeks and a day since I first sprayed this stuff on that cloth, and you can still smell it. If I put something in the rear of the car, when I say the rear, I mean on the back seat, and I open the back door, I can smell it quite strong when you get in it. As I'm sitting in now, no engine running, so no fans on or anything, I can still smell it. Not really strong, but it's still there quite a bit. So I do recommend this. So it's Chemical Guys New Car Smell Premium Air Freshener and Odour Neutraliser. As I say, it's not exactly like the new car smell, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. So I do recommend it. So if you want some, there's a link in the description where you can buy it. Not expensive at all. So yeah, if you like, Chemical Guys products are good anyway. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't know how many times I've said it's not exactly the same, but it is not bad. Really nice smell. Yeah, so I'm going to spray a little bit more on now so I can keep the smell in the car. I'll get the cloth out and spray some more. So that's it. That's your review on the Chemical Guys New Car Smell Air Freshener. Premium Air Freshener and Odour Neutraliser, or as they say in French, Odeur de voiture neuve. Every day's a school day on this channel. You even can learn foreign languages. So that's it. That's the end of this review of this product. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, click on that button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and until the next video, whether it be a review or a car, take care, stay safe, and we will see you very soon.